page number 118 from your grammar book, and it is the composition. And we are doing the A part today. And see, here you are having a picture. You are having a picture, and in this picture you have been given a paragraph also. After the picture you have been given paragraph, and in the paragraph what you need to do? You need to fill up the blanks. And for filling up the blanks, the words already are given in the yellow box. Okay. Now let us see the picture and just see what is happening in the picture. It is the picture of a garden. Okay. We can see children playing. We can see insects. We can see flowers. We can see trees. We can see birds flying. The birds are sitting on the tree. There is one lady who is doing exercise. Okay, so on the basis of these facts only, we are going to fill up the blanks. Okay, now what a dash garden. What a dash garden. The flowers are orange, dash, purple and dash. There is dash grass to sit on. There is bicycle behind the dash tree. There are dash birds sitting on the tree. One dash bird is flying. Children are playing on a dash seesaw. On a dash seesaw, it is a dash day. And the words that have to be filled up are blue, wooden, yellow, beautiful, pink, two, red, soft, cloudy and big. Okay. So now we are going to fill up the blanks. We are going to fill up the blanks. What a beautiful garden. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. What a beautiful garden. The flowers are orange, blue, purple and red. There is dash grass to sit on. There is soft grass, S-O-F-T, soft grass to sit on. There is bicycle behind the big tree. There is a bicycle behind the big tree. There are two birds sitting on the tree, T-W-O, two. There are two birds sitting on the tree. One bird is flying whose color is pink. So we are writing here one pink bird is flying. P-I-N-K. Pink bird is flying. Children are playing on a wooden seesaw. That means the seesaw is made up of wood. जो seesaw है वो wood से बना है. Wood means लकड़ी से बना है. That's why it is written children are playing on a wooden seesaw. It is a. Now when you look at the picture, clouds are everywhere. That means this is a cloudy day. It is a cloudy day. C-L-O-U-D-Y. Cloudy. Now I am reading out the passage one more time. What a beautiful garden. The flowers are orange, blue, purple and red. There is soft grass to sit on. There is bicycle behind the big tree. There are two birds sitting on the tree. One pink bird is flying. Children are playing on a wooden seesaw. It is a cloudy day. Now after this passage we will do the C exercise. We'll do the C exercise. B exercise we will do in live class. Okay? Now you have to take out page number 120, and on page number 120 there is again a picture of a girl. Okay, who is playing with the toy, or she is keeping the toys or taking out the toys. It is something. Okay, we have to write a short paragraph, like if you are this girl or if you are a boy who is having many toys, how do you keep them? Where do you keep them? And what are the things that you keep it in mind when you play with the toys and when you have finished playing? Okay. So all the paragraph that we have to make, we have to take the help of the words given in the yellow box, and the words are keep them, उनको रखना, after playing, खेलने के बाद, in the cupboard, cupboard के अंदर, on the shelf, shelf के ऊपर, in the toy basket, toy basket के अंदर, I am careful, मैं सावधान हूँ. So using all these words we have to make one paragraph. Okay, so I am just writing the paragraph using all these words. So I have many toys. मेरे पास बहुत से खिलौने हैं. I have many toys. मेरे पास बहुत सारे खिलौने हैं. I keep them in the toy basket. मैं अपने टॉयज को टॉय बास्केट में रखता हूँ. I keep them on the shelf. मैं शेल्फ के ऊपर रखता हूँ. I keep them in the cupboard. मेरे कुछ खिलौने कबर्ड के अंदर भी है. Okay. Whenever I play with them, जब भी मैं उनके साथ खेलता हूँ, I always keep it in mind that I should keep them back to their right place. मैं खेलने के बाद उनको उनके सही जगह पर वापस से रख दूँ. And I am always careful कि मेरा कोई भी टॉय इधर उधर ना पड़ा रहे, क्योंकि क्या होता है जब हम अपनी चीजें इधर उधर रख देते हैं फर्श पे, फ्लोर पे, तो क्या होते हैं उससे कोई गिर सकता है. Isn't it? So my second sentence is I have many toys. I keep them in the toy basket, comma, on the shelf, and in the cupboard. मेरे पास इतने सारे टॉयज हैं कि मेरे बास्केट में वो नहीं आते हैं, so I have to use the shelf and the cupboard too, along with the toy basket. Now next is this. I am putting number 1, 2, 3. I always play with them. I always play with them. I always play with them. मैं हमेशा उनके साथ खेलता हूँ. And after playing, I keep them back. I keep them back. मैं वापस उन्हें रख देता हूँ. Okay, I am always careful to keep them in their place after playing. I am always careful. I am careful not to leave them. Not to leave them after playing. खेलने के बाद कभी मैं कहीं भी अपने टॉयज को नहीं छोड़ता हूँ. आई एम केयरफुल, यानी कि मुझे हमेशा ख्याल रहता है कि दैट मेरा खेलना खत्म हो गया है. नाउ आई शुड कीप देम बैक टू देयर राइट प्लेस. सो दिस इज paragraph. This is exercise C. In the composition part, we have the sentences that we have written are: I have many toys. I keep them in the toy basket on the shelf and in the cupboard. I always play with them, and after playing, I keep them back. I am careful not to leave them after playing. Not to leave them after playing. Not to leave them anywhere after playing. Not to leave them here and there. So this was your one more paragraph, that is exercise C from page number 120. Okay, class 1. So we have done two paragraphs, one from page number 118 and the second from page number 120. Okay, that's all for